So today I'm talking about the three biggest marketing mistakes. As you guys can see, I'm in a new location, not in my office, and it's been a while, so missed you guys. And today I wanted to dive into some things that really have come to light that are going to really shift your perspective and hopefully open your mind and open your eyes when it comes to marketing mistakes that I see happen very commonly in this industry. Now, a lot of times when people are starting juice bar businesses, they don't tend to have the right frame of mind when it comes to marketing. They tend to under assume the importance and the value of marketing because oftentimes they're very focused on the operational elements, the recipes, the location, all of the more tangible aspects of running this business. And they tend to take for granted that all great businesses have great marketing. And even at the, let's say, given, if you were given the grace of having a good location and did not need to do much marketing, you have to consider how much better your business would be going if you were doing really high level marketing strategies when it came to the execution of your business. So let's dive in. We're going to talk about number one. What is the first biggest mistake I see when it comes to marketing? The first biggest mistake is I see that people wait to invest money in their marketing. So it looks something like this. Okay, I'm going to start investing more money in marketing my business when my business is going well, when I have more money for marketing. Now, this is a bit of a paradox, right? Because naturally, of course, you do need money for marketing, but you also need to market your business in order to make money. And marketing and sales always come first. And so, because a lot of times people don't understand how to market their businesses, they just don't. And they will be very cheap, maybe hiring people who don't have experience to do marketing for their companies. And then in turn, they don't end up making a lot of money. And therefore, they start bleeding money with their rent, their labor, and everything else in their business, then don't have money to continue to market their business, which is really what they need in order to increase the sales in their company. So it becomes this downward spiral when people do not invest money up front. So what is the strategy that you need to take on? Hire people who know what they're doing. We actually do marketing for our clients. Feel free to reach out to me at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. But hire people who know what they're doing when it comes to marketing. And two, invest money early, as much money as possible early on. Why? What's the other reason why this is really important? It's really important because you will have what I call opportunity costs and the loss of customers. If you, as an example, if you don't invest marketing up front, what will happen in your business is you will have 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and multiple years go by where you have new customers walking into the business who are saying something like, oh, I live around the corner. I've lived in this neighborhood for, the last 10 years. When did you open? And that's a really sad thing to hear as a business owner. And I'm speaking from experience because what that means to me is there was 3, 6 months, 12 months to a year or multiple years where this customer could have been spending money in your business, but they did not know that you were there because they were just blind to it. You assume that because you open your business and you are very aware of the importance of your business opening, that everyone must be aware and looking for you. And the truth is, they're not. They're not thinking about you. They're going about their lives and their days just like they would and everybody else is doing. They're not thinking about you. And so you have to make sure you have strategies to get in front of them so that they are aware that your business is there and they can make a decision to come or not to come, but at least they're aware that your business is there. So you want to invest a lot of money up front when it comes to marketing. Okay, what's the second thing and second biggest mistake people make when it comes to marketing their businesses? It's investing money in ineffective strategies. When I say ineffective strategies, in my perspective and experience, these are things like billboards, magazine ads, you name it, flyers. Now, these things can be effective if done the right way, but they are not my favorite strategies when it comes to marketing. The best strategies when it comes to marketing are going to be digital strategies. These are things like running Facebook and Instagram ads. These things are the most effective because they are going to be the most targeted, specific, and you can run tests and campaigns the easiest. And that leads me to my third point, which is the third biggest mistake I see when people are marketing their businesses or not marketing their businesses. It is having a lack of measurement when it comes to marketing strategies. Okay. This is when you often, if you haven't marketed your business yet or haven't observed people marketing, a lot of times what happens is that people just do a campaign, they run flyers, they put something in a magazine, and they have no way of measuring if that marketing strategy was actually effective. So what are the two scenarios? Okay, one scenario, it wasn't effective and you keep spending money in that direction. Or the second scenario, it was effective and you don't know that you should be doubling down and investing more money in that strategy. And in both those scenarios, it's kind of almost pointless because a lot of times in marketing, people are doing a lot of things at once. They're talking to influencers. They're, running. They have flyer campaigns. They're doing promotions where they're at gyms doing sampling, so on and so forth. But they're not measuring the effectiveness of their marketing strategies, which means you do not know where to continue to put your effort from a time standpoint and a money standpoint. So make sure that whatever you do when it comes to marketing, you know how to measure that campaign, whether it's through coupon codes in the store, whether it's through actually having coupon codes that influencers are giving out to people, but you want to be able to track at every stage how effective your marketing strategy is. This is why I really love digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram ads. You can measure everything from click-through rate, right, impressions, retention. There are so many things you can measure, and these things are very, very important. So those are the top 3 things that I see. Reach out to me personally if you guys need help with your marketing or anything else in your business. We have a full-scale agency, and we help people from A to Z, from concept to getting open and more. So that's the video for today. I hope some of this has been helpful for you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you're going to want to subscribe because we release content like this all the time that's going to help you on your juice bar and business journey. Click the like button if you like the video. That obviously helps more people see the content because we want to make the world a healthier place. Follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. And we have a podcast. It's called the Juice Bar Experts Podcast. It's on Spotify. It's on iTunes. You can listen while you drive, while you go to work, while you clean your house, and so forth. That's all for today. I'm Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. See you guys at the next video.
Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you're inspired to learn even more about how to start your juice business from scratch, for you, we have a free ebook. It's called the 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Business. And this is going to go through a high-level overview, through a step-by-step process on how you get your business off the ground. Everything from, branding, menu development, finding the right location, and more. This is going to be a clear roadmap so you know how to go from where you are all the way to opening your store. If you want to go even deeper, we've also created an online course. It's called the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great depth on everything from how do you put together and think about recipe development? How do you cost out your menu and what's the math around it? What equipment do you need? How do you design your store? How do you find the right location? And so much more. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of both of these. There's links in the description below. So I hope to see you guys at the next video and enjoy.